What's going on YouTube world? Austin Zabak here with another YouTube video, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through a fix and flip project. Now, we just finished with this project. It's taken about 30 days and it is a night and day difference, okay? So if you like HGTV, you like flip or flop, you like love it or list it, this will be a great video for you. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then just stay to the very end. And if you like the video, definitely smash the like button and subscribe, okay? So let's just go ahead and break it down for you. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,256 square foot condo that we went ahead and bought about a month ago, and we totally renovated the entire project. So I'm gonna walk you through and show you exactly what it looked like before and what it looks like now, and I'm actually gonna break down all of the numbers and what it took and what it actually costed to get the property to look like it looks right now. So I have my cost sheet here with everything that we did to the property and all of the numbers, so I can literally break it down for you. If you've ever thought about getting into real estate, or maybe you've looked into like flipping paperwork, or you've looked into buying and flipping a property, or even buying a rental property, these costs associated with what it took me to flip this house is definitely just a good thing to know. It'd be kind of cool to see, okay? So as you walk through the front door, there actually used to be a wall right here, and we actually went ahead and knocked down that wall, and we did a lot of other demolition, okay? So typically you buy a property and you've got to do what they call demo. And demolition on this property, to knock that wall down, knock the other wall down in the kitchen where the refrigerator used to be, costed about $2,200. Once you do all the demolition and you get all the old junk out, then it is time to go ahead and get everything new, right? So again, the demolition, about $2,200, and that was pretty much getting rid of all the trash, all the garbage, all the waste, everything like that, right? So now we're here in the kitchen, and let me tell you, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous kitchen, especially on this property, okay? In this condo, again, it's gonna list right under about $300,000. So moving along, our cabinetry throughout the entire property, throughout the entire condo, including the kitchen and the bathrooms, which I'll show you in just a minute, ended up costing us about $5,750. And again, that's just for the cabinets. It's not for the actual fixtures, and it's not for the countertops, okay? So kind of moving along here, the actual countertops, these are the nice new quartz countertops throughout, again, the kitchen and the bathrooms, ended up costing about $2,875. We went ahead and did this really cool like black backsplash. We went all the way from the sink. We went basically from the countertop all the way to the ceiling. As you can see, we did a little bit of that open shelving, which I think looks really, really good. And obviously that costed a little bit more because we had to do a little bit of extra backsplash, but we saved on the potential cabinet that would have gone where the open shelving went. So in my opinion, it kind of evens itself out, and we spent about $500 in total doing the backsplash, okay? That is on this wall and that wall over there, about $250 in tile and about $250 in labor. The next thing that we did throughout the entire property was all new baseboards, all new door hinges, and all new door handles. And in total, that ended up costing us about $1,200. So we ended up being able to salvage the actual refrigerator, the stove, and the microwave, and the dishwasher ended up costing us about $600. So not too bad. And I would just say, if you ever want to get into real estate and you have appliances maybe from the last sale when you went and bought the property, you know, a lot of times if they're in decent condition, you can reuse them, okay? Obviously, you want it to match, and if you have stainless steel, you don't want to like mix match, right? You want to do stainless steel with stainless steel, or, you know, black with black, or whatever the case is. We redid a little bit of plumbing. As you saw in the beginning of the video, we moved the refrigerator from where it used to be to the other end of the kitchen. And also in the master bathroom, we went from a single vanity to a dual vanity. So all in, with all of the new plumbing and everything like that, and a new garbage disposal, that all costed us around $2,100, okay, give or take. And then we did all new ceiling fans, we did a lot of new electrical, we did all new power outlets and all new switches. And all in, including all of the canned lighting, we upgraded the canned lighting from that old yellow look to that nice, new, bright kind of white look. And that ended up costing us $2,875 for all of the fans. Again, that is a ceiling fan in each room, so one in each bedroom, one in the living area, and then one on the patio. All new canned lighting throughout the kitchen, throughout the living room, throughout both of the bedrooms, and everything like that, again, for $2,875. So not too bad at all when you really consider everything. And as you probably know, we did all new flooring throughout the condo, okay? So what we decided to do was leave the carpet in the bedrooms, and we decided to do what they call an LVP flooring throughout the rest of the condo, okay? So in the bedrooms, I feel like buyers at this price point kind of like the carpet. It's a little bit more of a homey vibe. And in the rest of the house, the LVP is really nice. Now, LVP is essentially like that tile that looks like wood, except for the fact that it's laminate, okay? So it's a little bit cheaper than actual tile planks that look like wood. And all in, okay, for all of the flooring throughout the entire property, about 1,000 square feet of flooring was about $6,000. In the master shower, if you remember, this shower actually used to be here. The only difference is this kind of trim around the entire shower used to be like a brass, and it was really, really ugly. So what we decided to do was actually keep the actual shower. We re-epoxied the shower, and we went with this nice black trim, okay? And all in, that was about $1,380. So not too bad. We saved a little bit of money. We definitely could have gone and done like the actual tile in the shower, but we just decided to go ahead and save a little bit of money in the shower. That way we could spend that money in other areas of the condo. We have a bunch of random accessories throughout the property, like towel racks and just random odds and ends, which equaled, I don't know, somewhere between probably $1,000 and $2,000, okay? I can get exact numbers later. And then we did actual carpet like I was talking about and paint throughout the entire condo, and that ended up running us about $2,300, okay? So $2,300 for the paint, and I think there was about another $1,000 in exterior carpet. So all in, okay? All in on the entire condo, we ended up at around $26,337. We were able to do the project in about 3 weeks, so not bad at all, and we're on the market already, okay? So as you can see on the screen, we bought the property for $202,000, and we're listed at $299,900. Now, we did get hard money, essentially where it's like private money on the property, so we have a little bit of carrying costs. But all in, I would say we should make anywhere from about $40,000 to about $50,000 on this condo. So not bad when you really look at like a cash on cash return. We ended up putting, I think, about $25,000 down, and we financed the rest of it. So on a cash on cash return, you take $25,000 out of our own bank account to make, let's just call it $40,000, okay? And again, we'll probably have the money back in the account in less than 90 days. So 25 grand to make 40 grand is not bad at all. So if you've ever thought about getting into real estate, it is definitely a phenomenal industry. So that's it. Real estate is a ton of fun, and you can definitely make a decent amount of money. Again, you just want to go ahead and do a ton of research. Make sure, if you haven't already, to go ahead and like this video. It really would help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, drop in the comment section below letting me know that, and I would love to make them for you guys. My name is Austin Zabak. Thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one.